So good evening everybody. We are going to see that machine learning process which we already seen in the flowchart, right? The first one is featuring, evaluating, matrices and deployments. So that I want to recall in this part 1, right? So this is what the flowchart for this machine learning process we already seen. Feature engineering, learning, evaluation, deployment or serving. If this matrices is not made, it go back to this feature engineering, right? So this is what this we already seen this. In the part 2 we already seen that actual value, that is positive and negative values, evaluation of binary classification, true positive, false negative, true positive, which is predicted by this test. If the true positive will come, the output will come. If the false negative will come, the output will come. For all other cases, the output does not match. This is what the evaluation of binary classifications. This is what the evaluation of binary classification selecting the threshold. Okay. This is what the classification of graph. Okay. The first one is what? It goes to the peak value, right? It is true negative. It goes to the peak value, and after it come back to 0. Okay. This maximum value is nothing but the true negative value. Okay. And next one is what? False negative value. Here the high frequency component weighs the identity of low frequency component. It is also known as aliasing effect in signals and systems, whereas in machine learning it is referred as selecting the threshold. Okay, it is nothing but false negative. Okay, the score is nothing but the general positive value, that is in between 0 and 1. The score is nothing but this intermediate position. Okay, and this also false positive because this high frequency does not go to 0 and also it does not attain the peak value. Similarly here, this high frequency does not, this next high frequency which should start at this as soon as the first frequency is over, right? So instead of starting with the next value, it started at the previous value. That is what false negative value. Okay. So after this is what the true positive value. Here the high frequency component, one frequency is over, after that it started. Okay. So here it indicates this true positive value. Okay. That is what here. If all the true, that is answer is 0 from your evaluation data source, this is what this true. If all are true, that is answer 1 from your evaluation code, that is indicated by this data source. Okay. Evaluation data source, answer is 0 from your evaluation data source, and all that is 1, that is evaluation data source. Stripped areas indicate that record for which answer was predicted incorrectly based on the selected cutoff. Okay. Any records below the cutoff will be predicted as 0. Okay. Any records above the cutoff will be predicted as 1. This is what the binary classification. It is the name itself we can identify 0 and 1s. Okay. 1 is 0 and 1 will come in the binary classification. So selecting the threshold is nothing but the intermediate position. Here start at 0 and end at 1. In between, that is 0.5 is nothing but the score value. This is what this selecting the threshold. Okay. So whenever the high frequency component is over, the next frequency should start from here only, right? Instead of starting here, it previously started. Okay. This is what the high frequency component weighs the identity of low frequency component. So it is indicated as false negative and false positive value. So why it is false negative? It is indicated by 0. Why it is false positive? It is indicated by 1. Okay. So let us see matrices: accuracy, precision and recall. So accuracy means true positive and true negative divided by this total for population. That is ratio of true positive to the true negative to the total population. And precision, the ratio of true positive to the summation of true positive and false positive. Okay. Recall, the ratio of true positive to the summation of true positive and a false negative. Normally there is a trade-off between precision and recall. So business decision, precision versus recall. This diagram shows this perfect recall and low recall and absolutely good recall. Okay, so here the data shuffled up and down, whereas in here and the data shuffled in first row, second row and third row, whereas at last it are grouping together. So okay, thank you all.